Hello and welcome to lesson 2 of the Danita Fellowship Center's Energy Planning course 2020. So in this lesson we're going to go through quite a lot of videos. We have 9 in all, and there might be some extra as well. But for now we're just going to do a quick wrap up of lesson 1 and take some stuff into account that came up in the Q&A for lesson 1. So in this video, we're just gonna look at lesson 1 a little bit and some of the Q&A reflections from that. I also need to tell you there will be no exercise for lesson 2 as of right now. I think the timing between lesson 1 and lesson 2 is actually too short. So since we have a few weeks of break between these two, between lesson 2 and 3, I will, in the end of this week, put up a an exercise for lesson 2 that will be within what you have learned for lesson 2, but it will be a little later on and you will have more time to work with it. Also, at the same time, I will give you a midway course evaluation that you can then tell me how you think it's going so far, if there's something we need to correct, something that could be improved, something you would like to hear more of, and so on. And I will send that out to everybody in the end of this week. And during this week-long break, we're going to have a few practical subjects videos that has been requested by students. So one of those at least will be about how to gather useful data. I had an email from one of you asking me about how to actually gather videos specifically for their city. So we will look into the challenges, which there are quite a lot, and how to maybe solve some of these. Then I will also put out a just practical video of where we're just going to look at the results and the energy balances, which are also a different view of results. We will briefly touch on that here in lesson 2, but I'm going to put out a video of between 10 and 20 minutes where we just look at results and get comfortable with how we can observe results, how we can find the kind of results that we're looking for, and what it means when we're going different places in the result pane. So with that in mind, let's continue on to the first real video in lesson 2.